Hello people, James here. This video is not about a product. I am not endorsing anything, I am not promoting anything. I realize that the first 90 seconds or so kind of feels like a product review, but just go with me here. This video is actually about installing a new habit. Sam, take it away. Alright, so you have bad posture. You've had it all your life. And it's starting to look bad, it's starting to feel bad, your back hurts, something's wrong. So what do? You get one of these. No, it's not a gun holster. It's a posture corrector. And you see it's very simple, just a few straps, probably made in China somewhere. Pretty good quality. And you just sling it over your shoulders. Not unlike putting on a backpack. There you go, one after the other. Boom, 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 straighten it out. Make sure everything's in there accordingly. And then what do they say on the airplane? Pull the straps to tighten. So when I was reading the reviews for this product, I noticed a lot of people were asking, can you wear it underneath your clothing? And the answer is emphatically yes. Yes, you can. You just throw on the shirt, throw on the blouse, boom. I obviously can still feel it, but to the outside world, nothing funny going on here. Nothing going on underneath, no big deal. You can't even tell. Not at all. That being said, I don't recommend doing this. Let's say that you're out at work or out at a coffee shop, somewhere public, and now you're looking around because you've got to undress yourself in front of all these people. You know, no big deal to you, but now somebody's looking at you crazy and you're just like, whoa, no, it's not what it looks like. I'm wearing this thing. I'm not being racy. I'm just fixing my posture. For me, it makes a lot more sense just to wear it on the outside of my clothes. This way, when my time is up, when 1 hour's over, I just go boop, 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 and off it goes. No big deal. Easy peasy. And who cares if anybody sees me wearing it? It's a conversation piece, an icebreaker. I love it. By far, the hardest part about this whole 30-day habit was just remembering to wear the strap. A lot of times I would forget to put it on in the morning, and then I'd be halfway through my day and I'd realize, damn it, I'm not wearing it. So my workaround for this was just to keep it in my bag. So now at all times, no matter where I was, once I remembered, I could quickly throw it on. One of the worst places for my posture I noticed was at the subway. There's always a pole or a wall or a column for me to lean on, and I would always do that while waiting for the train. After a while, me leaning became a trigger, and I was like, wait a minute, this isn't right. And then I would quickly grab the strap out of my bag, throw it on real quick, and then boom. And a lot of times while wearing the strap, I would still find myself leaning, but as soon as I did, it quickly jolted me back up. It wasn't comfortable to lean anymore. This is progress. This 30-day habit has made me realize how much I slouch, be it standing or sitting. I could be on the train during a commute. I could be at a computer, fake typing. Boom, 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 backspace, backspace, binary code. It didn't matter where I was, I would always end up in the same reclined, hunched over position. And it felt comfortable. Bad habits usually do feel comfortable, at least in the short term. But in the long term, not so much, because at the end of every day, my back would be killing me. And I used to think it was from sleeping wrong, but I realize now that it was from standing and sitting so shittily all day long. So how was I going to drop this old bad habit, this habit I've been carrying for years? Well, the first step was recognizing it, and then the second step was doing something different. I needed help there. I needed to put in something that was going to remind me. I needed to put something new in place. So what did I do? I bought something that reminds me. I bought something that was going to disrupt the old pattern. It was going to break it down and leave room for me to insert a new system. That's what I needed. These old habits are going to run on autopilot unless you do something to get in the way of that. And so that's what I've done. And, I'm not going to have to use this strap forever, but in the meantime, it's great. Do you know why I chose to do a 30-day habit? It actually has nothing to do with posture. No. I chose to do a 30-day habit because I wanted to prove to myself that I could change. I wanted to show myself that I could take an area of my life that wasn't working or that I wanted to improve on and that I could actually execute. And you know what? I did. 30 days is arbitrary. I could have done this for 45 days. I could have done it for 90. But 30 is a nice round window to work with. It allows you to lay down the foundation. This is the ground floor. This was what gets you in the door. I've got all the building blocks now. I've got the habit installed. It's there. But it's very fragile at this point. If I were to let down my guard right now, the old way of being would come right back in. You know, I'm going up against decades worth of bad posture versus just 30 days of using this thing. So naturally, there's still some work for me to do, some energy for me to put in. But that's okay. I like putting in this work. I like putting in this energy, and I love seeing the results. That's the most amazing part right now, is that the intention that I set for myself of improving my posture, I've done it, and I'm continuing to do it. I've proven to myself that I can manifest change into my life. It probably sounds kind of small on the other end of the screen right now, but for me, this is amazing. When you prove to yourself that you can keep a promise to yourself, that's a very powerful thing. And now that I've done it, I'm able to take that momentum, I'm able to take that energy and put it into the next habit, put it into the next area of my life where I want to see some growth. That's why these 30-day habits are so important. It's proving it to yourself. I really hope that you're taking some time to put energy into changing something in your life. I really hope that you're finding somewhere that you want to see growth and that you're actually putting in the work to get there. Please tell me in the comments below, where is it that you want to change something? What is it that you want to drop? What is it that you want to put in instead? And thank you for sticking around to the end. I love when you do this. It really means so much to me. If this video did anything for you, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Feel free to subscribe if you're into that. And if this video didn't do it for you, if something fell short, please tell me about that in the comments below. This channel loves constructive criticism. And as always, love, bliss, and consciousness.